Today I finished up the water wheel. And then chairs, that's where I'm going to sit with the cooling in about 5 minutes. So I just wanted to show you how I got this set up. Doesn't take much water to turn the wheel, and it still circulates it nicely, and the fish are going to love it. So what I did is I bought 2 new bearings here from Amazon. They're kind of heavy duty, but that's what you need. You can grease fitting. Got a grease fitting here. Little cap pulls off. You can grease them. And same as on the inside. And they're fitting there. So then I got a nice little pump I bought on Amazon. Put a tap on the top of it. Plugs in there. Now I can just adjust. It builds up the tank to the right pressure. It fills it up with water. And then I just adjust the tap so that it just lets the right amount of water come out to turn the wheel. And that way you're not burning a whole bunch of hydro or anything else. It's fills up the tank, and then it just keeps running away there for about 10-15 minutes without burning any hydro. I thought that was kind of neat. So that's the hookup I got. So basically it's just a little trough up here. These here are buildings I built. Put a light on it there too. It's on a sensor. It comes on at night, at dusk. And then you can see it doesn't take much water just to turn that wheel. I can even turn it down more if I wanted. But this is a self-aligning bearing. So if you haven't, I try to get it perfect. But if I can't, it'll align itself and makes it a lot better. Makes things a lot simpler, put it that way. Anyways, that's the setup there. And I think it's a pretty nice deal. You can't even hear it going. Well, you could there for a while, but my wife came out and she kind of figured out that I had this here off kiltered a little bit, so worked it. So once you've seen that, I straightened her up and away we went. So anyways, this is the picture, so we can just, that's the whole unit. I do have a video I will put on there showing how I made that wheel. It's a little bit of work making it, but it's not that hard of a job, like that hard job. You just need to know the right angles and things like that, and you can make it quite simple.